Oh, I hate when that happens. Hey, I lost some footage, guys, but welcome back. What I was doing was attacking the rust. There's like little chrome rims, of course, you know, they're all going to rust. They sit by the curb, the sprinklers. This side's the worst, or was, but I had all pitting along this lip here. What I did is I started with that Corroseal stuff that I was working the floorboard rust, any surface rust. This is some good stuff, but I figured I steel wool down the rust and treated it with this. And what it does, as you see, is it gets right in there. It turns it black, of course, but I'd rather see a little black in there than rust keep coming back, you know, like that. If I don't treat that nut or do something with this nut and put a stainless steel on there, it's just going to keep rusting. So put the Corroseal, it's in like all the pitting, and then I just went around with steel wool, and I'll show you what that looks like to get the excess off, because it doesn't really stick to the chrome, it only sticks to where it's pitted. So as you can see, I went over, got all this all clean, and then it's just stuck in the pitting. I was thinking if the wheel was really bad, I could do a black pinstripe in this area. That might look kind of cool. You might not even notice it. And I have the center cap, and baby moons go right here, so I'm not worried about in there. But you can see I treated in there, and that's what it looks like. But the steel wool will take all that excess off. I did a last tone steel wool. I think it's like a quad 0. And just some spray away to clean it all up. But I'll add this to the rest of the footage and you'll see. And application is easy. You can just slap it on all over the chrome, and it's only going to stick to the rust. So it's kind of nice. Just use a little dab brush. And hey, Mike, did you take this off so you can get underneath? Of course I did. I think I'm a hack. Yeah, I took all the thread-on valve stems apart, cleaned them up, and just put a little Corroseal on just in case. And yeah, looking good. I think the next bit is I'll let those dry up, and then yeah, that's supposed to be chrome back here. I might take these and clean them off, get rid of that extra weight reduction for power and speed. Okay, I lied. It does, the Corroseal will leave residue, but it comes off with brake clean, or some acetone. So yeah, I have like these little spots. It's still protected. Almost like RTV. Like, see, I could wipe more of that away, and it would just stick to the, yeah, peel. It comes off with your fingernail. So, but it'll stick to the rust. I'll wipe that off a little bit better. All right, so there is the finished product. That's the wheel shined up. I used a little Never Dull. They know about Never Dull. This is an old school product Eagle One bought, probably. Just a wadding. It's like a cotton soaked in this stuff. It's great for chrome. And yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's do this.